Welcome to Besto Clinic, your clinic anytime, anywhere. In this video, we'll walk you through the People section in Besto Clinic. From the sidebar menu under People, click on Departments. Here, you can view the total active and inactive departments. You can also bulk import departments by clicking on Bulk Import, downloading the CSV template, filling in the details, and uploading the file. You can also add a department manually by clicking Add Department, entering the required information, and creating the department. Your newly created department will appear here along with its details, and you can view, edit, or delete it as needed. Next, click on the Roles section. Here, you can manage roles and permissions for your clinic staff. To add a new role, click Add Role, fill in the basic details, assign permissions, and create the role. Your created role will then be visible here. Next, go to Doctors. This section allows you to manage doctors across all clinic branches. You can bulk import doctors or manually add a doctor by entering personal information, professional details, selecting the branch, and then creating the profile. In the Staff section, you can manage non-doctor staff members across your clinic. You can either bulk import staff or add individual staff members manually. Created staff profiles will appear here where you can view, edit, or deactivate them when needed. Next is Patient Management. Here, you can manage patient records efficiently. You can bulk import patients or add them manually by filling in the required details and creating the patient profile. Your created patient records will be visible here for easy access and management. Finally, click on Bulk Uploads. This section allows you to import doctors, staff members, and patients in bulk using CSV files. Before uploading any file, make sure to review the upload guidelines to ensure accurate data import. This is how you can efficiently manage the People section in Besto Clinic. Have questions or need assistance? Connect with us and follow our social media handles to stay updated with everything Besto Clinic.